Hi guys, good day, hope you all are doing great and welcome to my channel Random Videos. Today in this video we will be discussing about the 5 most rare birds in this world. Normally we see a lot of birds in our daily life, but these birds are very beautiful and rare. So before we proceed further, please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel, also hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Number 1. Golden Pheasant, Chrysolophus pictus. You might have seen these pheasants at the zoo, but those are actually hybrids. The real golden pheasants are native to the western forests of China. Named after their golden crests, we are wowed by the male's colorful body. They can grow up to 41 inches long and the tail is 2/3 the length of the entire body. Golden pheasants are really hard to find and there is little known about them as they are seldom seen in their natural habitat. There are only about 1,000 to 2,000 of these beautiful birds left. Number 2. Cebu flowerpecker. This bird, found only in the Cebu Islands in Philippines, these birds were thought to be extinct due to the disappearance of their habitat. But in 1992 they popped up again in a small limestone forest in the central Cebu protected landscape. Their name, quadricolor, refers to the 4 colors of the male's plumage: blue, red, white and yellow. Cebu flowerpeckers are frugivorous, which means they eat only fruit and seeds. Number 3. New Caledonian owlet nightjar, Aegotheles cervisi, also known as the enigmatic owlet nightjar. This is one of the most mysterious of all the rare birds on the list. Bigger than the Australian owlet nightjar, it was second in size only to the New Zealand owlet nightjar, which is now extinct. Back in 1880, only 2 New Caledonian owlet nightjars were collected. One of them was discovered as he flew into a bedroom in Tonghau, a small village in New Caledonia. By 1915 only very few were spotted. Researchers believe that their numbers haven't risen. The New Caledonian owlet nightjar is black with grey stripes with a long, slightly rounded tail, short, rounded wings, and long, stout legs, showing he is a ground feeder. Its voice is unknown, but it is assumed he makes similar sounds to other owlet nightjars, whistles and prolonged trilling sounds. Less than 50 New Caledonian owlet nightjars are left and no conservation efforts have been made to conserve this species. Number 4. Imperial Amazon, Amazoa imperialis. The Dominican Republic's imperial Amazon, locally known as the Ciceroo, is endemic to this Caribbean island and is its national bird. The species is critically endangered. In 2019, it was estimated there were only about 50 mature individuals left in the wild, down from a previous count of hundreds. The reason for this was twofold: a serious loss of natural habitat, and to make things worse, Hurricane Maria. Imperial Amazons are about 19 inches long, weighing about 23 ounces, females, or 32 ounces, males. Rather big for a parrot. As they are very shy, they travel in groups of 3 at most. Sometimes they feel comfortable enough to flock together with red-necked Amazons. They are good climbers and strong flyers with powerful wings. They prefer to perch on the tops of trees. They are difficult to detect, as they are well camouflaged by their plumage. Number 5. Blue-eyed ground dove, Carlumbina cyanopis. These lovelies are the rarest and most endangered doves in the world, found in the Cerrado region of Brazil. For 75 years they were thought to be extinct, until 12 of this species were happily rediscovered in 2015. Ornithologist Rafael Bessa heard a mysterious bird call, recorded it, and when he played it back, discovered that it was the blue-eyed ground dove. To his surprise, a happy surprise, they were not extinct after all. Named for their shimmering blue eyes which match the spots on their wings, the azure blue is a striking contrast to the rest of their mud brownish red plumage.